Girls, in first question A part, you have to reduce this expression, okay? SOP. Fine. So you have been given these terms. You will be making K-map first. 4 variables are there. So total 2 to the power 4, 16 blocks will be, 16 squares will be there. Okay. Then you will be taking 2 variables here, A, B, C, D. 2 here and A, B here. Okay. Then the combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Write down the variables also. In case of SOP, 0 will be barred. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Okay. Similarly, A naught, B, A naught, B naught, 0, 0. Okay. For bar, there will be 0 in case of SOP. Okay. Now, numbering 0, 1, 2, 3, numbering of cells, 4, 5, 6, 7, leave this row, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now come to this 12, 13, 14, then 15. After numbering of the squares, now we will fill the 1. Whatever the terms has been given. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. So this is number 2. Write 1. 3. Write 1. Then in 4, 5, 6 and 7, 1 will be there. Then 8, 10 and 11. Okay. Now you have to make groups. Firstly, you will look for octet. Group of 8. We start with big group. Okay. As we have to reduce the expression. How many big groups will be there in your map? The expression will be as simplified as you can find. Okay. Will be in the simplest form, in the reduced form. So search for the biggest group, that is octet, group of 8. In the remaining cells you will be filling 0. Okay. Left out squares will be filled with 0. Now make groups of 1. Look for 8. Search for 8. Group of 8 ones. No group, such group is there in your map. Okay. Group of 8 is not here. You can't make octet in this map. Now search for quad. Quad is group of 4. 4 ones are there. Yes. 1, 1, 1, 1 in continuation. So this will be a group. Now there are 2 ones here at the top edge and at the bottom edge. Okay. So we can make one quad like this. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Okay. By map rolling method, I have told you. Okay. Then 2 quads are there. Now any other quad? No. This single one is left out and this one. You can make the pair of these ones. So there will be 2 quad, 1 pair. Quad 1 is M2, M3, M10, M11. Then quad 2 is M4, 5, 6 and 7. Then pair is M8 plus M10. Fine. Now how you will reduce the expression? How we are getting this B naught C? Look in this quad. Which variable is changing the value? D, D naught. These columns are involved and this row is involved. A, B naught. Both the ones are here in this row. This row and these columns. So A, B naught. Only one row is there. Okay. So row variables are not changing at all. Fine. And this row A naught, B naught. 2 rows are there and 2 columns are there. Which variables are changing their state? C, D. C, D naught. D is changing their state in column. So remove D. Only C will be there. Then here A naught, B naught. A, B naught. Which one is changing state? A naught, A. So A is changing. So B naught will be remaining. Okay. So B naught and which one is not changing state? C. So B naught, C. Remove A and D as they are changing their state from not to barred to not barred. Okay. Similarly, quad 2, this one, only this row is involved and all the columns are involved. Okay. So C is changing their state. Here C naught, here C. D is also changing their state. As all the four are involved, they must be changing their state. Okay. So only this one is left. Only one row is involved. So A naught, B. This will be the answer. Now come to pair. This row is involved and these columns are involved. C naught, D naught, C, D naught. C is changing their state, so C will be removed. And in pair, only one variable is removed. In quad, 2 variables are removed. In octet, 3 variables are removed. Okay. So in pair, you will be getting 3 variable, A, B naught. Which one? Which is not changing the state, that is D naught. So A, B naught, D naught. Now write down the reduced SOP expression. B naught C plus A naught B plus A, B naught, D naught. Okay. Similarly, just do the second part of this question.